Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Kingscourt is a historic neighbourhood located in the north-central part of Kingston, Ontario. The area is known for its older homes, tree-lined streets, schools, churches, and strong connection to Kingston's industrial and railway history. Kingscourt developed mainly during the late 19th and early 20th centuries as Kingston expanded beyond the original downtown waterfront. Today, the neighborhood remains a mix of long-time residents, families, students, and working professionals, giving the area a balanced and active community atmosphere. The growth of Kingscourt was closely connected to Kingston's railways and industrial economy. During the late 1800s and early 1900s, rail transportation played a major role in moving goods and people across Ontario and Canada. The construction of railway lines near Kingscourt helped attract workers and businesses to the area. Modest homes were built for railway employees, factory workers, and tradespeople, many of whom lived within walking distance of their jobs. Some of the older houses in the neighborhood still reflect the practical architecture of that era. Kingscourt has long been known as a working-class neighborhood with deep community roots. Over the decades, schools, churches, and local businesses became important gathering places for residents. Many families lived in the area for generations, helping create a strong local identity. Even as Kingston grew and changed, Kingscourt maintained much of its original residential character. Today, the neighborhood includes a combination of older detached homes, duplexes, apartment buildings, and newer housing developments. One of the defining features of Kingscourt is its central location. Residents have easy access to downtown Kingston, nearby shopping districts, schools, healthcare facilities, and public transit routes. Memorial Centre Park, located near the southern edge of the neighborhood, serves as an important recreational and community space. The park hosts sports fields, public events, farmers markets, and seasonal festivals throughout the year. Green spaces like this remain an important part of daily life for many people living in the area. Kingscourt also reflects Kingston's changing population and economy. As the city has expanded, the neighborhood has become more diverse, with students, newcomers to Canada, retirees, and young families all living in the community. Some sections of the area have seen renovation and redevelopment, while many older homes continue to preserve the neighborhood's historic appearance. The combination of older architecture and modern urban life gives Kingscourt a character that stands out from newer suburban areas in Kingston. Kingston is one of Ontario's oldest cities and has a long and important history in Canada. Located where Lake Ontario meets the St. Lawrence River, Kingston became a strategic settlement because of its position between the Great Lakes and the Atlantic trade routes. Indigenous peoples lived and traveled through this area for thousands of years before European settlement began. French traders and explorers arrived during the 17th century, followed later by British military and colonial development. In 1841, Kingston briefly served as the first capital of the province of Canada. Although the capital later moved to other cities, Kingston remained politically and militarily important. Fort Henry, located on a hill overlooking the water, was built to defend the region during tensions between Britain and the United States. Today, Fort Henry is one of Kingston's best-known historic sites and a major tourist attraction recognized as part of a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Kingston is often called the Limestone City because many of its historic buildings were constructed using local limestone. Throughout downtown Kingston, visitors can still see 19th century architecture in churches, government buildings, homes, and commercial streets. Landmarks such as Kingston City Hall and the Waterfront District reflect the city's long connection to politics, trade, and military history. This historic character gives Kingston a different atmosphere compared with many newer Ontario cities. The city has a population of more than 130,000 people, with the larger metropolitan area continuing to grow steadily. Kingston's economy is supported by education, healthcare, government services, tourism, and military activity. Canadian Forces Base Kingston remains one of the city's major employers, while Queen's University contributes significantly to research, culture, and local business activity. The city also attracts visitors year-round because of its waterfront location and historical attractions. Tourism plays an important role in Kingston's identity. During the warmer months, visitors explore the downtown waterfront, take cruises through the Thousand Islands region, and attend festivals and cultural events throughout the city. Kingston is also known for its restaurants, public markets, museums, and live music scene. The city combines a relaxed, small city atmosphere with many of the cultural features usually associated with larger urban centers. Kingston's location on Lake Ontario has shaped daily life here for centuries. Harbors, marinas, and waterfront parks remain central parts of the community. In the summer, boating and sailing are especially popular, while winter brings a quieter pace to the shoreline. Across every season, Kingston balances its military history, educational institutions, natural landscapes, and growing suburban neighborhoods, creating a city that continues to evolve while remaining closely connected to its past. watching!